Everything is energy, and we can control that energy with the power of our thoughts. Everything is energy, everything changes, and nothing stays the same. We may see them in the same state, but the energy inherent in them is eternally moving and changing. Is there anything that can hold it back and therefore control it? The Nobel Prize in Physics proves beyond any doubt that the physical world is a great ocean of energy that materializes and dematerializes in seconds over and over again. Nothing is fixed. This is a world of quantum physics. It thus turns out that thoughts are responsible for holding this ever-changing energy field in the form and shape of the objects we know. So why do we see a person instead of energy blinking? Think of a roll of film. Such a roll consists of a collection of approximately 24 frames per second. Each frame is separated from the other by a small space. Compared to the speed at which these frames change, our eyes are tricked into seeing them as one continuous image. Consider television. A cathode ray tube is a simple tube with a beam of electrons that hits the screen in a certain way, creating an illusion of shape and movement. Anyway, this is the case with all objects as well. We have 5 physical senses: sight, hearing, touch, taste, and smell. Each of these senses has a specific range. For example, a dog has a different ability to hear than humans, snakes see a different spectrum of light than we do, and so on. In other words, our senses perceive energy from a fixed angle and thus create images and shape our perceptions. But this is neither accurate nor complete, it's just an interpretation. All our interpretations are based solely on the inner map we have of reality, but not on the actual truth. This map of ours is the result of the collective experience of our personal lives. Our thoughts are connected to the invisible energy and determine the form it will take. They can literally change the universe particle by particle, creating our 3D life. Look around you. Everything you see is our physical world, in our physical world, started as an idea that continues to develop until it's realized in a physical object through a series of steps. You literally become your most frequent thoughts. Your life has become what you imagined and believed. The world is literally your mirror, allowing you to experience everything you believe to be true on this 3D plane until you change it. Quantum physics tells us that the world is not as stable as it appears to be. Rather, it's an ever-moving place in which our collective and individual thoughts continue to build, tear down, and rebuild. This is about something immovable. What we believe to be true is actually an almost magical illusion. Fortunately, we're beginning to uncover this illusion and, more importantly, learn how to change it. This is an example, simple explanation. What are the components of our body? The human body consists of 9 systems: the circulatory, digestive, muscular, nervous, reproductive, respiratory, skeletal, and urinary systems. What are these systems made of? From tissue and organs. And what are tissues and organs made of? From cells. What are cells made of? From molecules. What are molecules made of? What creates molecules? Individuals. What is a person made of? From subatomic particles. What are subatomic particles made of? From energy. We are simply energy, light in its most intelligent and beautiful form, an energy that is constantly changing beneath the surface, and beneath all that is controlled by our powerful mind. We are big and beautiful human beings. If you could look under a powerful microscope and do experiments, you would see that you are made up of clusters of ever-changing energy in the form of electrons, protons, and other subatomic particles. The same goes for all the things around you. Quantum physics tells us that the act of observing the object is what causes the object to be there. Isn't that strange? The object does not exist independently of its observer. So you see, during observation, your attention is focused on something, and your intention literally creates that thing. This is scientifically proven. Your world consists of your soul, mind, and body. Each of these 3 has a unique function. What you can see with your eyes and experience with your body is a physical world we call the body. The body is an effect produced by a cause. This cause is called thought. The body cannot produce, it can only live and experience. This is a unique ability. On the other hand, thought cannot experience, it can make, create, and interpret. It needs a world of relativity, physical world, the body, to experience. The soul is everything, that which gives life to thought and the body. The body cannot create, although it gives the illusion that it does. This illusion is the reason behind so many disappointments. The body is the pure effect and has no power to cause or create. The key is to use this information to see the universe in a different way than you perceive it now, so you can manifest what you really want. This is by Magic Tea Awakening, and I've translated this for you from a Greek article. Please leave your comments. Thank you for your support. Kindly support my Patreon account. The daily posts are 5 videos daily, and they are totally different from what I have on my YouTube channel. Thank you so much for your support and that you find all my content so interesting. You'll find the Patreon account details in the description box below.